Hi everyone, this is Abdul Wali. Today I am going to teach you that how can you make this simple 2D plane. And completely I will explain all the parts of this: doors, dimensions, walls, symbols, etc. Writing a later. And after completing this plane, I will share that how can we make the 3D of this. So please subscribe the channel to see the next videos as well, and press the bell icon to inform you that whenever I will upload. And now I want to draw the simple plane in AutoCAD, and let's suppose it is already made by you and in Arab paper, and now you want to draw it in AutoCAD and same to same this. So let's start a new page. In new page, first of all you would like to select the unit, so type UNI and click on units. New window will open and click here on length type. It should be architectural and the precision is this much is enough, and the angle type is also this is good. And after that I will use this decimal degree. So after that the unit is inch. Now inch is per architecture, it must be inch, so press OK. And then the second option, go in layer and click on properties of layer. A new window will open. Now click on it, new layer, you will give new layer. So click and create more layers. So let's now I will draw the walls. So I should name this rename this walls. So press enter, this is named. So simply then I will name this late. So simply close this window and come click on this layers and select the walls, because now I want to draw the walls. So you must be in this wall layer. Okay, so now the color of this, you can change the color of these lines. In that plane, the color of wall, you saw that there is green color, so it should also be green color. So I would like to change this, it is green color. Okay, now I am in wall layer. So I will draw now. Let's start from wall layer. So let's I would like to start by the help of line command, simple line command. Take the command and specify the corner, and now show the direction. And you know that in that plane they have 60 feet length, so I should also give to 60 feet length. So this is 60 feet. So press enter. After that give the width of that plane, so that is 40 feet. So I would like to give you 40 feet and press enter. After that again give 60 feet, press enter. Now simply click here, or you can give the length or simply click on it. So now you can see your plane is simple, sides has been drawn. So after that you can see here is their guest room. So their guest room is 15 feet by 15 feet. So I would like to take offset command and select the 15 feet and press enter. Now I would like to click here, this is 15 feet and above 15 feet, and press enter to finish the command. This room having 15 feet length and width. This guest room, this is guest room. So simply take the trim command and remove this, and this is guest room down. After that I would like to start kitchen having 10 feet from this top side. So I would like to get offset command and type 10 feet offset distance and press enter. Then click this line and come down. This is offset. After that you can see here in plane 2 the width of this kitchen is 20 feet, so I would like to give 20 feet from this side, so I'll take offset command and give 20 feet distance, offset distance, and let's cancel it because it is 20 inches. Take the command and give 20 and also symbol of feet, press enter. Now you can give 20 feet, so let's click on it. Now kitchen is also drawn. Then after that take the trim command and press enter and finish your these lines. So now kitchen is also drawn. After that you can see here in this plane you can see that here they have drawn 12 feet and 16 feet. This should be, this is 28 feet and 6 inches from that side. So let's click here, offset command, give the 28 feet and 6 inches, press enter and select this object and press enter to finish the command. And after that check your this width having in this you know that this is 15 feet, this wall from to this wall as well for this bedroom too, so it should be 15 feet. So I would like to take extend command, take this extend command and simply click on it. It is extended, so it is extended. After that I would like to finish this line, extra line, so take trim command, press enter and finish this line. After that you can see here in this plane that this length, this is 12 feet 6 inch. This is 12 feet, so take the command and type 12 feet, press enter. So this is this room having 12 feet and its length is 25 feet, so take offset command and give the 25 feet, 25 symbol of it and press enter. Now I would like to go from this side, this to this. Then after that take trim command and simple enter and to finish this extra line, and one is this extra line and finish enter. Now you can see this your bedroom 1 and bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 and kitchen and this guest room and this main entrance, this is drawn. After that what is remaining, and then this is drawn the 1 2 3 4. You can see here. Let's come here is also one wall, so take the extend command and extend it, simple and press enter. 1 2 3 4 and here is one bathroom, so let's come here for bathroom. You can see that this bath having 6 feet and 9 inches from top to below, so let's come here, take offset command and specify the offset distance 6 feet and 9 inches and press enter. Then click on this line, so press enter. Now take trim command and finish this extra line, press enter. This is extended, take trim command and select this, finish this line, and this is also extra line. Now you can see this is your bathroom mirror. So after that now you can see your plane is complete. I think nothing is missing in this. So first of all, you should draw your plane by the help of simple line and offset command or polyline. So after that, select all of them. Let's click these four sides, join them first. Join, type join and press enter. Now take offset command and give the wall thickness. The wall thickness is outside wall thickness is 9 inch, so offset distances. Take the offset command and give 9 inch, press enter and click select it and give inside to, so it is 9 inch now. After that, give all of the I think this plane having all 9 inch, entire wall is also 9 inch, so I would like to give it as well 9 inch. So take the offset command in 9 inch and press enter, then give this walls having 9 inch distance. So I would like to give 9 inch. Click on it. Now you can see your plane is round. After that, you should take the trim command and remove these extra parts by the help of trim command. Come here and select this all to finish and select this line. And now you can see your walls has drawn all walls, and this is kitchen, this is dining room, guest room, main entrance, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, living area, and this is bathroom. So after that, I would like to select the entrance area where you want to draw the doors. So for that, I would like to join this all line. Select all and type join and click on it. It will join. As much as they connected to each other, they has been joined. Now you can see that our walls are completed. So in this guest room, they have a bathroom here, so I should draw that bathroom as well here. So let's its dimensions are I think 6 feet length and 4 feet width. So let's draw it that. To draw that, simply take line command and draw from this point, and let's the width is 4 feet, so type 4 and press enter, and the length is that length having 6 feet. Press enter, then simply complete the line to this point. Press enter, and then after that remove this line and press erase. Then take the offset command, and the thickness of that wall is also 9 inch, so simply type 9 and press enter. Then this wall should be 9 inch and press enter to finish the command. Take trim command to remove this lines, remove this, and this as well to become one wall. Press enter. After that, I would like to start now to make the doors and the windows. to sit here. So first of all, I would like to start from this door. You can see in that plane here is a door, so I would like to come in door layer. So there is no name is not mentioned door, so click on properties and come here, this click and rename this layer is door 1 and press enter and change its color. Its color is and this is the color of that, and press OK. Close the layer properties. After that, come to layer properties and select that layer. Now I want to draw the door, so I should be in this layer. So let's start. But before to start drawing the doors, so I would like to first complete this opening. So let's start from opening and go and select the wall. And so right now start from line command and simply click here and draw a small line. And you know that our doors are 3 inches away from this wall, so simply take the offset command and type 3 inches. So press enter. Now this is 3 inches our extra wall for the door, and door having 3 feet length. So again take the offset command and type 3 feet. Press enter and give the offset distance this line 3 feet and press enter. Finish the command and remove this line, erase, and then take the trim command, remove this opening. You can see that now this is your door opening. You can see in your plane this is your guest room opening like this. You can see this is 3 inches extra wall, so I also put there 3 inches extra wall by the help of simple line command. Okay. After that, you can see there, and here they have opening, so you should draw same like by same concept, simple draw small line this wall, then take offset command, type 3 inches, press enter, because 3 inches is this extra wall for the door, and press enter. After that, double enter and take that command again and press type 3 feet and press enter, that door opening for the door opening. So simply this is now the door. So I would like to erase this line and take the trim command and remove this line as well and press enter. Now you can see this is just this door opening. After that, where you want to do you should use this same concept and work like I do for this too. You should do for all of them by yourself. After that, I would like to start from this point another door, this main opening by same concept. Let's start, press enter and take offset command, and the distance for the extra wall for the door, so it is 3 inches. Press enter, so it is 3 inches. Type like this. After that, double enter again to get this command and type 3 feet. This main door is also having 3 feet length and that plane, so I would like to give that as well 3 feet. So press enter. Now take the trim command and finish this. So now you can see that is a small door opening. After that, if you want to give the main door entrance, you should use the same concept. Let's like check here. Here there is some like this is the column of gate, one gate, and this is the first column and this is the second column for the gate, and the distance I think between these two is 10 feet. Let's check it. This is 10 feet. You can see. After that, draw this both of them, this column and this as well. Remove this entrance. Then after that, I want to make a door, and I will set a door here. So you should complete all of your door opening by the same method, but I made some changes here. One change is here according to this plane, and one change is here in main door. So they have made this also 3. The length of their door here, main entrance door, having 3 feet length, like these doors. So I changed that length. It is now 3 feet and 9 inches. So for doing this to the gate opening, you would like to select a simple line command and draw line, and then give the 3 inches offset distance for this extra out wire, and then after that 1 feet offset distance for this column of the gate, and then after that 10 feet offset distance for this gate, and after that 1 feet offset distance for this gate column, then 3 inches offset distance for this wall, small wall here, and after that draw the ears. So then take the trim command and remove these lines and these lines, so your main entrance will be down. So let's now I want to draw the door. To draw the door, you should create a layer here, and let's like I created this layer by the name of door 1, but in your layers you may not create it. So to create this layers, simply click on layers properties, and new window will open there. Here select any of layer and rename it. Let's like this, and let's click on it and rename door 1 and press enter, and then you can change the color of this. Simply click on this and select this type color, and simply click on OK. It will show here like that. After that, close the menu, and let's come here. Now I want to draw the door, so I should be in the door layer. So click here and select the door layer. Now I am in door layer, so my lines and rectangles and my all objects will have this red color. Let's start the door. Click this rectangle command and specify this is your corner. After that, click on dimensions, and then give your the length of this rectangle will be the width of your door frame, so that is 1 inch. So let's type 1 and press enter. But the width of this rectangle must be equal to the thickness of your wall. So the thickness of my wall is equal to 9 inch, so simply type 9 and press enter. Now you can see this rectangle and press enter here. Now this rectangle is down. After that, you would like to copy this. Simply take copy command and select the object, press enter, specify this base point, simply click here or give the distance to come by correct distance. Let's this distance will be complete opening distance is 3 feet. So if I want to copy this here by the distance, so 1 inch distance is missing here, 1 inch distance is missing here, so it should be 2 feet and 11 inches. Let's give 2 feet and 11 inches, so it should be fixed at this corner. Press enter. Now you can see, and press enter again to finish the command or space, and you can see now it is fixed here and here. After that, take the rectangle command as well and specify this is your corner, and click on dimensions below, and now type the width of your door frame, so that is also 1 inch. Let's type 1 inch. Now type the width of rectangle, that which will be the length of this length should be, it should be equal to this length, because it will become your door length. To open like this, it will open like this, so it will be this length. So this length, you know that from this point to this point it is 10 inch and 2 feet. 2 feet and 10 inches, because 1 inch is 1 inch missing here and 1 inch is missing here. So it should be 2 feet and 10 inches. Simply click enter, press enter, and you can see now. So simply click, don't click on that side, simply click on that side to show like this. Simply click here. Now you can see this. After that, take the R command, start end direction. Click this command and simply click, specify the start of your point, start, end, and then simply the direction of your, simply show the direction. Now this is your door draw. After that, select these 4 objects, then right click and group it. Now copy this door everywhere and put there. Let's, now it is incorrect here, so I should correct it. First I would like to take copies of it. Let's copy it, press enter, specify the base point, ortho up. One door is using here, one here, here. After that, here, where you will use this door, you can easily use. Press enter to finish command. Now you can see this is not like, I don't want this door, so like this, so it should be open to this side, like in this plane you can see, like this door it should be open to this side. So I should do it by the help of mirror command. Select the mirror command and specify the object, press enter, specify the mirror 2 points, first point and CR2 should be on, and this is my second point. Do you want to remove this? I want to remove it. Just click on yes. Now you can see it is rotated, it is the mirror of that object. So now I would like to rotate again mirror command and select the object and press enter, then specify the first base point. Let it is first base point, and this is my second base point. Press enter, yes, remove that, and now simply select it and move it, specify your base point. Let this is my base point, R2 should be up, and select this corner, on this corner. Now you can see this is fixed in this corner as well, in this corners as well. Now it is opening here. Let's come for this door, select the object. You know that this should be rotated to this direction to sit here. Simply take the rotate command and select the object, press enter and specify the base point. Let's rotate it on this like this, so R2 should be on, then simply click it, it will be moved, like rotate. After that, select the object and select the move command and specify the base point, and then R2 should be up, and simply click here and it will be fixed in this, because this opening is 3 feet. All the doors have opening in this plane 3 feet, so simply you should put all these doors in these openings like this. After that, I want to draw this this door should draw by the same concept, and then after that the main gate will draw. And so let's come to draw this door. So let's take the offset, the rectangle command. After that, whenever you put all these doors and these openings, after that you would like to draw this door, this length is 3 feet and 9 inches, so you should draw by yourself, like same to same like this. After that, I would like to draw this main gate, which having 10 feet length. So for it, I would like to draw one door for 5 feet length. Then I will use mirror command to do the double. Let's start. Take the rectangle command and specify the corner, and now click on dimensions below, or simply type DIM and press enter. So now they ask you to specify the length of your rectangle. The length of your rectangle is the width of your gate frame, so let's say it is 2 inches, so type 2 and press enter. Now they ask you to specify the width of rectangle. The width of rectangle is must be equal to the thickness of this wall. So this wall having 9 inch thickness, so I would like to give 9 inch and press enter. Now you can see this is your rectangle, and simply press click here. Now you can see this is drawn. After that I would like to get copy command and select the object, press enter and specify this is your base point. Now I would like to move it. I have considered for 5 feet, so 2 inches are missing here, so I would like to move it 4 feet and 10 inches and press enter. Now you can see this is copied here, and simply enter to finish the command. You can see this is the another rectangle. After that I would like to draw again another to take the rectangle command and specify this is your base point. Again click on dimensions or type dim and press enter. Now they ask you to specify the length of your rectangle. The length of rectangle is also the width of your gate frame, so it should be let's 2 inches. Press enter. Now they ask you to the width of your rectangle. The width of rectangle must be equal to this distance, because this gate will open like this. So from this point to this point it is 4 feet and 8 inches. Because from this point this is totally from this end to this end is 5 feet. 2 inches are missing here and 2 inches are missing here, so total is 4 feet and 8 inches. So press enter. Now you can see this is drawn, and simply click on it. After that take the R command, start, end and direction. Specify this is your start point, and click here. This is your midpoint of this should be your end point. So simply click on it and let's show the direction. This should be the direction of my, so simply click it. Now it is drawn. After that select these 4 objects and right click and then select the group and group it to become one object. Now after that take the mirror command and select this main gate and press enter. Then specify this midpoint and this another midpoint. I'm sorry, we should not we should take the mirror command, select the object, press enter, then specify this point, this corner, and this corner should be your end point. So press click. Do you want to remove this? No, I don't want, so simply click on remove. No, now you can see this side door is also down, it is fixed in this side. Okay, so after that I would like to remove this, so take trim command and simply click on this double, so it is removed. So now you can see your main gate is also down, it is fixed in this wall. You can see and fixed on this side, and both sides it is fixed. So after that I would like to draw the windows. To draw the windows, let's take the you should change your layer. Create a layer for the window. Click on create layer properties. New window will open, and this new window, and click on this layer and rename it. Rename layer, click on it, and now select it as window 1 and press enter, and it should have the color, this color should have it here, and simply okay and close it. Now come here and layer and select the window. Now I am in window layer because I want to draw the window. So simply take the rectangle command and simply click here. Now click on dimensions or simply type dim and press enter. You will get this. So now they ask you to specify the length of rectangle. The length of this rectangle will be the length of your window. So I will use 2 windows. One window which having 6 feet length. So first of all I would like to draw that one 6 feet wala. After that I will draw 2 feet length window. So let's start for the 6 feet length window. So it is having 6 feet length, so type 6 feet and press enter. After that they ask you to specify the width of your rectangle. It means that the width of this rectangle must be equal to the thickness of this wall, because you will fix this window in this wall. So it is 9 inches, so simply type 9 inch and press enter. Now you can see this is your window frame. After that take offset command and give 2 inches offset and press enter. Now select the object and click entire side and press enter, and then simply take the trim command and remove this line as well as this line and press enter, and then take extend command and extend this to press enter. Now group, select all and right click, group it. Now this is your window 1, and you should copy it and move it where you want. Just copy it. Let's I want to sit here. First window, select the copy and specify the object, press enter and specify the base point. This is the base point, ortho up, and click here in this wall, press enter. Now I want to my window to be 5 feet away from this corner, from this door. It should be, it means that it should be, let's 10 feet away from, not 6 feet away from this wall corner. Let's click on it and simply click on move command and click on this corner and move it. Ortho should be on the ortho and move it like this, and then type the 6 feet. So press enter. Now you can see your window is moved by the 6 feet from this corner to this point. It is fixed here, so it is your window. After that I would like to draw another window. Let's when you should fix this window in all this where it is required. One window is this large window is here required, here, one here and another here, one here and one here, and after that small window one is here in this bathroom, 2 are in kitchen and 1 is in this bathroom. So after that you would like to fix this. To fix in this wall you should rotate it. Let's take the rotate command and specify the base point and simply rotate it. Now you can use in this wall as well. For horizontal wall, this horizontal walls use this window, and for vertical, this vertical walls use this window. After that I would like to draw a small window. Let's click the command and specify the corner and click on dimensions. Then give the length of that window should be 2 feet. So type 2 feet, press enter, and then 9 inch, press enter. Now you can see this window. Simply click here. Now get the offset command and click 2 inches. Type 2 and press enter. Now it should be to entire side. Now you can see this window and press enter to finish the command. After that take trim command and remove these 2 lines and press enter to finish the command, or space. Then after that take extend command and extend it to this side, press enter. Now select all and right click, group it and copy it where it is required. Let's take copy command and specify this your base point, ortho off, and click here. If you required anywhere you can click here. Let's click on this corner. So simply press enter, and you want to move this window. Let's 3 feet from this 3 feet or 5 feet from this corner. So select this window and take move command and specify this corner and move it. Ortho should be on the ortho and move it, drag like this, then type 5 feet, then press enter. It will move by the 5 feet from this corner. It is now 5 feet from this corner. Then another you should take copy command and select the object and press enter, and then specify this base point. This should be 8 feet away from this point, so let's give 8 feet, type 8 feet and press enter. Now you can see this is 5 feet away from this corner, and this is 8 feet away from this corner, so totally it is 11 feet away from this corner. So for to draw to fix this window here, we are another required. In this bathroom we should rotate this. Take rotate command and select this and press enter, and then specify this base point and rotate it like this. Then select move command and move it. Let's move and select Alt up and click here, press enter. Now we want to be, this window should be this should be 3 inches away or 6 inches away from this corner. So let's type R2 should be on. Let's type 6 inches, press enter. Okay, deselect all and Control Z. Select this object and select the move command, specify the base point, and then R2 should be on the R2, and select this and type 6 and press enter. Now you can see this is 6 inches away from this corner. So now so you should set this window here in this corner, and in this corner one in here, one here, and one here. So we should put all these windows. Let's take the copy of this, or anyone which is required, simply copy it and paste there and set that wall. Let's say I set it this 3 feet away from this corner, and I set it this 3 feet away from this corner, and this window is 3 inches from this side. In this window is let's 3 feet from this side, and this window should also be 3 feet from this side. Let's move it, select it, and take the move command, and then specify this is the base point, and R2 should be on, and let's drag like this, and then type 3 feet and press enter. Now this is in this 3 feet away from this corner. After that, come here, and this is also already put it here 3 feet away from this, and let's click on it and move it, and click this is this point and move it by 5 feet from this corner. Let's press enter. After that, move this, select this and space move command, and then R2 half and put in this corner. Now simply select the object and take move command and specify the base point and move it by 3 feet as well. This should also be by 3 feet. Simply type 3 and press enter. Now it is also by 3 feet above this. Let's come to this bathroom window and simply click it and take move command and specify this is the base point and move it. It should be move by 5 feet. Let's type 5 and press enter. Now you can see this is 5 feet away from this corner. So after that, I think windows are completed. So now we should write the names. This is kitchen, this is bath, and this is guest room and main entrance here, living hall, dining hall, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. So I should write the letter here. Before to start writing, I should go to here for annotation and select this. Hey, click on this annotation. Let's this annotation and click on this standard H written. There is written hey So click on this hey standard. This is text style, so I would like to do here. So click on manage text style. So now new window will open, and click on new, and this will be new style for your text. Let's name it. It should be Wali 1, and OK it. Now this is your text style 1, and put the height of your length. It should be, let's 1 feet. Press enter. After that you can give the different styles here. This is the style of my letter, and simply click on apply. If your length is too much small, it will not visible on the display. If it is very large, so it will take by 2 symbols your all planes. So it should be normal. Let's say it should be 1 feet. Simply click on apply and close it. Now come here, and you should be in this named text style which I created now. So it is Wali. I created it by the name of Wali 1. So simply click on it. Now come here and type DT. Press enter. Now where you want, just specify that point and start your writing here. This is my first point. You want your writing horizontally or vertically. So now I want horizontally. Simply click on that. So now it show you that it is horizontally. Let's type it living area. Then after that click here. This is kitchen. After that come here, and this is dining room. This is dining room, and this is guest room. Let's guest room, and come here in bedroom 1. Bedroom 1, and click here. Bedroom 2. Then simply click here bath, and also here type bath. After that, to finish this command, simply click on escape. Before to press the escape, you should click somewhere. If you escape right now, so this line and this letter will, this text will also be removed. Simply click somewhere and on another area, then simply click on escape. It will finish this command. So now you should create another layer as well by the name of text. Let's come here and layer properties, click on it, and simply click. This is already created layer 4. Name it. It should be by the name of text, and press enter. And what the color your text should have, it should have yellow color. Press OK, and then close this window. Now select this object and this text, and include in that text layer, and come into layer and click on this point and include to this text. You can see now this is yellow color, and deselect her and set it move like this. Move it. If you want to change the style of this, you can change. You just come here and click on this, and this go to manage style, and you can change that. To change this, set the current. Let's click on it, set the current. And if you want to modify anything in this, just click here and click on set the current, and then change the design or hide anything you can change here, and simply close the window. After writing the text, I would like to set the symbols of every room. So that symbols we can draw by the help of line, polyline, and this rectangle and circle, and by this modify menu, by the help of them we can draw, but it is not required that much. So simply we should take that symbol from another file and we will copy from that place and we will paste it. And I will share this links of these symbols, and I will give you, if you required anything for AutoCAD, I will share you. Let's come here and copy this. These are symbols for AutoCAD, and I will share you if you required any thing from this AutoCAD. Let's select the for bathroom. Let's select the object, then press Ctrl C, Ctrl C, and then come here and then press the Ctrl V to paste here. Simply now you can see it is pasted, and simply put here. It is bath, so you can see here that I put it here. After that copy this, select the copy and come here and sit here on his way. This is copy. After that come here to symbols and click on another like this wash and select Ctrl C, and then come to this file and simply Ctrl V and put it and click here. Let's this one, let's click here. After that let's go move it here, and after that copy this, copy and paste here. Let's paste here, then enter to finish the command. After that for kitchen, come to symbols. You can see the kitchen's symbols here. Let's copy this, Ctrl C, and then come to this file and Ctrl V, paste it. So it is pasted here. Click here. Now you can see just rotate, take the rotate command. Simply click on, press enter, specify the best one. Now rotate ortho on and rotate it like this, and then move it simply ortho up and put here, and again come here for two symbols and select another option, this option, Ctrl C, and come here to this file and Ctrl V press and put it here simply. And like this you can take from this file. Let's come here to symbols and type all the required data. This is for dining hall. Copy this, these two, and this are for living room, these symbols, and these are for bedroom, and let's come here. It's also then Ctrl C, then come here to this file and let's Ctrl V, press and click here, paste here. So now you can see all of them, and just take copy of them and paste there. So let's copy them, move it. Let's put here in dining hall, dining room, and move this letter above. So after that move this, and then come for the bedroom and select this to move and sit here. Then select it, copy, and come here and sit. Let's here, enter and move this You can rotate them and you can adjust in this room as well. But come to for living area, take this command, copy, select this, select one copy here, paste it, and press enter. Now take the rectangle, mirror command, press enter, specify the first point, then second point, ortho on, and press here. No, that should not be. Move it little bit back side like this. Simply click here. After that, take the copy of this. Copy, simple, select the object, press enter, then ortho up and click here, then press enter, then rotate, specify the base point. This is base point, so ortho up, press like this, then move it, then specify this point, ortho up, and then put it. Then after that, mirror command, take mirror command, press, select the object, press enter, specify the first point of mirror. Let's this first point, and this is second point, ortho on. Now this is second point. No, should remove it. Again come mirror command, take the mirror command, select the object, press enter, specify the first point of mirror, then second point, simply click it. No. So you can see now this is the living area, this is our dining room, and this is our guest room. In guest room we should put this small as well. Move it, click from the from this point, and let's put it here, ortho up, move it, and let's rotate it, specify the base point, ortho on, and click it like this. Move it, press move, and then put it here, set it. Now it is set it. For this main area I should take one from symbols. Let's, you can see this. Let's select this object and Control C, and come here and press Control V. Now sit here, this car, click here. Now you can see this is your car. After that, now we should draw the dimensions per dimension. Now I should select the dimensions and to give this, show the dimensions of this plane. Before to show the dimensions, we should create here two more layers. Click on layer properties and simply name them. Let's name this layer, rename layer it by symbols. Press enter and give the color white color is okay, and one another it should be, let's dimensions, and this should be name it, rename the layer, it should be dimension, and press enter. This name is already its dimension. Press enter. This is dimensions. Dimensions should have also have white color, so it is okay. Now close this. So select all these symbols. Select this all of them. And include them into the which dimension? Symbol dimension. Come here and let's where is symbol dimensions. You can see these are symbol dimensions. Simply click on it. Now they are included in symbol dimensions. So after that, I would like to select the dimensions to give the dimension to this plane. You can see here some extra layers, that layers created when I copy this tables and the symbols from that symbols drawing, so it created automatically here. So let's start the dimension. If I click the dimension and to show the dimension of this, so it will show another unit, and it will be very small. Let's rating will be very small, and the unit is also not fit. So I would like to set it in this heads are also very small they shown. So for the to select this and to edit this and show the units, let's start for it. So before that I would like to be in which layer? In dimension layer. First click here in dimension, select the dimension layer. After that click on this annotation, and then click on this standard, the dimension sign. You can see here, this is the dimensions style, you can see here, and then click on manage dimension style simply, and then click on new and name it. This should be Wali 1 dimensions, and let's click the continue. Then new window will open. So let's come, you can change the color of the dimensions here, but white color is okay. You can the length type, length, width, everything you can change here. But for extension line, you can remove the extension line. Let's like remove first extension line and second. You can't remove any of them. So I don't want to remove them, and you can, let's symbol type, it's this. You can select this architectural tick. Let's click here architectural tick, and the you see that the size is the row size is very small, so it should be 1 feet. Then it will be visible 1 feet. Press enter. After that come to text, and you there is a type, the style of text you can select here, and the color of text you can select here, but white color is okay. I think if you want to select this green color, you can select and give the height of the text. It should be also 1 feet. Type 1 feet and press enter. It is must, because after that your unit will show very small. And after that come to primary units, and in primary units you should select this is architectural. Select this is architectural, so automatically your units will change to feet and inches. Then simply click on there are more settings are also present, but it is not right now okay. Simply click on ok, then close it. Now come to annotation again and check it if you are in Wali dimension style, so it is okay. Now I created this one, so I should be in this. Click on it. Now I am in Wali dimension, so click on dimension. Now specify this is first one. I think this is 60 feet length of this plane. So let's click where you want. Simply click there. You can see that 60 feet. After that where you want, just select that and click here. Let's that this side, you know that let's cancel it. Take the dimension and simply click this point. Ortho should be on, and now click on this point. It should be 40 feet, you know, it is the end point, and comes check it. It is also 40 feet, and select this here. After that select this point and come here to this point. You can see that this is 10 feet, this wall, and this kitchen thickness width, this kitchen width is 10 feet. And after that this you can select from this point, come to check. This is cancel it. Let's come from this point, take the dimension command, select this point and click on this point. You can see that this is 15 feet. Press enter. Now come here and select this point. and come here, select this point. You can see this is to this point it is 15 feet, but this 3 inches wall is extra given for the column, so you can see this is 15. After that, come here and check this from this side. You can check this. This is how much, 28 feet and 9 inches. Total length is this much, so you can click simply on this. After that, come here and check the width of this point, 6 feet 9 inch. After that, come here and select this point until this point. You can see this is 25 feet. Simply click it and come here, show this as well. Let's click here and show this dimensions. So you can see this is 20 feet. And simply click here. After that, check this bathroom until this point. Simply click it. It is 12 feet. Click it and press enter to finish the command. Now you can see that your plan is completed according to all the requirements. Writing and dimensions are also shown in feet and inches, so it is okay right now. Now you can see that our plan is completed. If you are interested in 3D and you want to learn and watch the 3D of this house, so simply go to the channel and watch the next part of this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.